Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful baby Zacconi espresso machine. Now for this machine we did an extremely huge amount of work. We had to do a lot on the bottom part of the machine. All this wiring, all the power cord included, everything had to be completely replaced. As you can see here, everything is new electrical connections. We replaced all the wiring, everything in there. Had to replace a couple of bolts as well, as we had to open the entire machine. Get to the heating element, we remove everything around it. We remove the heating element here. This is the condition of the heating element, and this is when we polish it, remove it. This is when we polish and remove the piston. We service the entire machine, replace all the connections and put it all back together, as you can see right now. So we've been testing this machine for quite a while already. It has not leaked anywhere. We've been going and controlling all around it to make sure there's no leaks or anything, and it's just been doing great. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna be using the steam on this espresso machine. Nice steady flow coming out of the machine. Really good crema coming on the top of the espresso, as you can see right here. Nice crema. Great quantity, and this chamber only can hold 1 ounce of water, so that is perfect. Steam for this machine, as you can see, extremely well. Good pressure, working excellent, working great. So there you have it, Zacconi baby, working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Like and hit that bell.